From Car Effects here. This is one of our latest projects. We just did this one for Gloucester County. This is going to be one of their mobile Meals on Wheels vehicle. So we added a secondary battery and a cool little cooling box for drinks and a hot box for hot meals. You're going to see this vehicle all over Gloucester County, helping out our senior citizens and people with handicap. This is actually the first of two that we're going to be doing for them. So you'll see the second one showing up here very shortly, and you'll see the progress pics on that one probably next week. Have a good one, guys.